In this third session, we will understand what transportation means, learn the types of transportation, and also learn the names of them. And last but not least, an activity on how do you get to certain places. But first, we need to understand what transportation means. Well, transportation means the way one gets to one place to another. You must also understand that there are many different types of transports. There's land transports, air transports, and also water transports. Can you think of any type of transport before looking at the next slide? The first type of transport that we have is land transports. There are many types of transports that are used on the land, or the ones that we can get to see on the street, on the highways, or somewhere close by in our community. The first one that we have is train. The second one is tractor. The third one is school bus. The fourth one is truck. The fifth one is motorcycle. The sixth one is scooter. The seventh one is bicycle. The eighth one is carriage. The ninth one is 18-wheeler. The 10th is a tank. And last but not least is the car, the one that we use the most. A quick question. Which of these transports do we regularly see, and which of these transports we do not often see, or the ones that are not really used today? Next, the type of transport that we have are air transports. In other words, we can see many different types of transports in the skies. These are the ones that are up very, very high and don't usually fly low. The first one that we have is plane. The second one is a hot air balloon. The third one is a helicopter. The fourth one is a rocket. The fifth one is a jet. And the last one is a drone. Another quick question. Which of these transports have you seen in the sky? And which are the ones that we regularly see? These type of questions that I'm asking you, you can answer them by pausing or actually writing them down as you hear them. Also, we must take in hand that there is another type of transport, which is the water transport. We can see many different types of transports in the water. For example, we have water skiing, a wooden ship, a boat, a submarine, a raft, a cruise ship, and a ferry. One quick question. Have you ever been on a cruise ship? I remember I have, when I had to go from Cancun all the way to Galveston. Now, to try to have a practice on this, think about all the different places we saw in the first video. Remember that we saw the different types of places, such as a supermarket, a school, a park, a hospital, a church, a bank, things for that matter. Now think about how do you get to these places and answer the way the example is shown. I get to the supermarket by, I get to the school by, I get to the park by. In other words, in this blank, you're going to need to write the type of transportation that you use to get to these places. It doesn't matter if you use the same answer for all three. Now, let's think about all the different types of transports we have seen. Which one was your favorite and why? My favorite transport was the plane. I've never had gotten in a plane before until I had gotten in one, and it was a really cool experience. Then, which ones have you been in? I know I can say that I've been in a handful of transports like a car, a plane, a cruise ship, a scooter, a bicycle, a truck. Those are the ones that I've been in. And last but not least, what makes them similar and different? How is it a land transport is different from a water transport? And also, how is a water transport different or similar to a air transport? Thank you for your participation. We will see you in the next video.